What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. I'm gonna go over friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.0258. Currently down about 4% on the day, seeing a market cap of 170 million. 24-hour volumes 56 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up. Grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Once you sign up, email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. I also have a full-length tutorial. All links are in the description, and some of them are in the comments as well. So we broke down from this ascending triangle. It looked like we might see a little bit of a push to the upside. So it's basically do or die for Gala Games. The wave count we were previously looking at was an ABCDE corrective triangle. Like an A, B, C, D, oh, come on, brush. A, B, C, D, E, corrective triangle. And then this was a wave 1. This is a wave 2. A, B, C into a 2, looking to come down in a 3. That's still on the table, but we might see a bounce. And if we do see a bounce, then potentially what I'm looking at is instead of an A, B, C, D, E, this was a leading diagonal into a wave 1. And what you're looking to do is push up in a wave 2. So I was looking at a potential A, B, C. What is going on with my brush? Why does that keep happening? A, B, C into a 2. But we have rolled over once again. So if we do start to come down and break this low of 0.023, then that could be more confirmation you are going to see that continuation to the downside. However, if we do bounce, I still think there's a likelihood here that this is a leading diagonal into a 1 and you're looking to push up in a wave 2, which it should take you up in between 0.028 and 0.031. It's still on the table in my opinion, and still until we come down and break this low, and then you start to see that 5-wave move to the downside. But there are some signals that we may see a bounce in the market. So if that does happen, then all I'd be looking at is that you've come down in a 1, looking to put in a wave 2, and then still seeing continuation to the downside, in my opinion. All right, guys, so if we kind of zoom out on the chart here, we've been talking about this large falling wedge. We broke down, we retested. So even if we do see a little bounce, I just think it's a relief bounce. That's all we're really doing right now. Slow bleed, relief bounce. Slow bleed, relief bounce. Well, that's a bit of a big bounce. Slow bleed, relief bounce until we reach a bottom. That's how the market works. It works in waves. It just doesn't go straight down or straight up unless you see a massive pump or a massive crash. All right, guys, so we do have the EMAs bearing down on us. So if we do see a bounce, I do think we'll see a rejection off the EMAs and then see continuation to the downside for the price of Gala Games. But in the short term, we may see a bounce. If we can hold this low, that could take you up in between about 0.0283 and about 0.0313, which could offer another good shorting opportunity in my opinion. That's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bybit, grab those bonuses, make your first deposit or BitGet. Both are incredible exchanges, and email me or sign up email after you made your first deposit. I'll give you free access to my Discord. There's over 2,000 members in here posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, as well as my trade signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. See that little thing that I'm pointing at right here? It's a coconut. Delicious fresh coconuts every day here in Indonesia, which is absolutely scrumptious. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.